It was a cold March night in 2025 when an emergency call shook the Williamson County Sheriff's Office in Tennessee. A cargo truck had lost control on Interstate 65, flipping over and completely blocking the lane. Minutes later, a Tesla Model 3 on autopilot slammed into the overturned vehicle at high speed. When first responders arrived, the scene seemed impossible. The Tesla was completely destroyed, its roof crushed and airbags deployed. Yet the driver, a 35-year-old man, was conscious, without a single visible injury. Not even a scratch. As firefighters worked to cut through the wreckage, everyone wondered, how could anyone survive an impact of that magnitude completely unharmed? The Highway Patrol launched a thorough investigation. Security camera footage captured the exact moment of the crash. The Tesla, traveling at around 65 miles per hour, had no time to brake. But instead of smashing head-on into the truck, the car seemed to slide underneath it, as if its structure had been perfectly designed to absorb the impact. Tesla engineers were called in to analyze the car's system data. What they found was even more astonishing. Fractions of a second before the collision, the autopilot adjusted the trajectory slightly, distributing the impact in an almost miraculous way. Additionally, the car's reinforced frame and side airbags worked exactly as intended, creating a protective bubble around the driver. The man, a businessman from Nashville, couldn't believe his luck. All I remember is seeing the truck in front of me and then silence. When I opened my eyes, the firefighters were already pulling me out. It doesn't make sense that I'm alive. Doctors who examined him confirmed no fractures, not even internal injuries. The case ended up in traffic safety reports and even automotive engineering forums, where experts debated for weeks how such a violent crash could have such an improbable outcome. To this day, no one can fully explain what happened that night. Was it luck, technology, or something physics can't yet decipher? One thing is certain, some real-life stories defy all logic, and this is one of them.